can call me George if you don't like the way it is pronounced. I know it's hard for somebody, so that's okay for me as well. Well, everybody here is aware of CakePHP, right? So I'm not going to stop here. But I always thought I would slide like this one. So if anyone's first time here on CakePHP, well, there's the community. All the resources are listed on the community.cakephp.org. And well, I think everybody here is aware of CakePHP, so let's pass on this. I'm working for CakeDC, and they are sponsoring me being here. So I've been there for 3 years now. That is quite a long time. So yeah, we do development consultancy, code review, training. I'm also working for Cake Software Foundation to cover the training sessions. We do, you're aware, we have training sessions on the cakephp.org site, training.cakephp.org. And we had our first basic CakePHP or standard CakePHP session like 2 weeks ago. And we are now preparing another one more advanced. So if you're interested, remember all the revenue that we get from the training is back for the Cake Software Foundation. So it is a way to contribute as well. Cool. So let's start building a development environment. We are going to use, well, if you have your own. Switch up your mobile. So if you have your own environment, you don't need to worry about this. If you don't have a development environment, or if you just want to have fun setting up Cloud9, go ahead to cloud9c9.io here. And it's better if you have a GitHub account, because possibly you will need some credentials later to download the report. GitHub is very big after the DOS is had like 2 weeks ago, and they are requiring credentials for almost everything. So let's go. I already have an account, so I'm not going to create another one. One important thing here, when you create the account in Cloud9, make sure there are no funny characters on your username or password. This is a ticket I raised them a couple of weeks ago. If you have those characters, it will fail setting up with the PDU. And what is Cloud9? Cloud9 is an IDE and also a virtual machine at the same time. It is a very small virtual machine, like 512 megabytes and very slow, but it's enough for what we're going to do today. So you need to deal with your own environment if you don't want to. And it is here, there is a file explorer here, there is all the virtual machine text or console to virtual machine is here show. So after, well, this is mine. I'm going to create a new project. Okay, so this is my account. I'm going to create a new project on PHP and so it's creating here. Okay. So yeah, we have a virtual machine here and related with this environment, and the next thing we're going to do is set up a couple of dependencies CakePHP has. that are not bundled. If you have a regular standard PHP environment, possibly you have those already installed, but we are going to do it here. So we are able to use the environment as well. We're going to do this. And if you get this URL here on top, you can connect to my environment and copy paste whatever I'm doing. So you can copy from this environment to your own. You don't need to worry about doing things if you don't want to. Just go there, copy paste things into your environment and make it work. You're the person. Who is this? Raise your hand. Okay. This shouldn't take long. It's about a couple of minutes. So basically the PHP input extension or library. So CakePHP will not complain about not having this when setting up the project using Compose later. So basically what we're doing is this. I did try this yesterday, but there is some kind of issue with the packages right now. And the dependencies are broken using this Ubuntu version on PHP input. So I'm just downloading the package and installing it in your dependency here.
One question.
Yeah.
I'm now watching your account. But how do I see what you just how do I see your commands?
Ah, okay. I can, well, you should have access to the console as well. There, below.
The clone for Earl? Is that what you use it to use your code?
No, you can set up your own environment if you want. Create a new one here.
Create a workspace.
Create a workspace.
Yeah.
You have access to my console below? Then, well,
where was it trying to find it?
Okay. So there are two things. Here's your own environment,
Yes.
and then there is my environment. Okay. There are two different ones. My environment, you can connect to my environment using the URL on top.
Where do we put that into a
It's a standard URL. Okay. Ja, precies. We have is IDE.c9.io/taker/AMS.
Request access to it.
Jorge, the thing I'm trying to see the exact URLs you are typing in? Because they're quite long and I have.
Oh yeah. This I'm setting up, but you mean this URL here on top?
No, the
command.
Command.
Where is it? Correct. Yeah. This is read only. You can copy things from me here, and then you have your own environment where you can just put things like I'm doing. So go to your environment. This is the Cake3 environment. Yeah. Open workspace URL. Try to create another one. Well, hopefully that's all. I don't know why we getting this error, but that's fine. Cool. So the next thing is set up PHP 5 SQLite. We're gonna need this for debugging to work properly. You have problems with this? Anybody has any other issues setting up the environment? You have your own environment, right? Okay. I have another one set up. So if we have other issues, I think this could be related. It's working now. Okay. Meanwhile, basically. One of the first changes we have in CakePHP 3 is the extensive use of Composer for everything, for setting up or making the project skeleton from the beginning, and also for managing dependencies. This is good because obviously it's good because you could use other libraries and other projects and frameworks to really use or wrap around them in your CakePHP application. So if there is a stable and working plugin or application or library from another framework or in the PHP community, it's very easy to require this library and extend over it or wrap in your own plugin, so it is more CakePHP way to use it. But basically, there is a separate project that is the CakePHP app skeleton project you could use to create a new project or a new skeleton in your file system. So this is the command, Composer. Well, everybody is aware of Composer, right? Composer, create project, create PHP app, faction. I'm calling it faction because the project is faction questions. You can call it whatever you like. Just let me check if we're not here. Okay, I see a number of issues here. So I'm gonna try something here. Let me do this. I'm gonna create a new one. Don't connect to it yet because maybe a lot of people connected. Maybe is getting the memory consumed on the virtual machine. I don't know. So I'm gonna create PHP. Try to go there from start. This is, well, you know, this is a virtual machine that is created on the fly, so sometimes there are problems with the environment that we are creating. If this fails, I have another environment ready, so we don't need to wait too long. So I'm going to do exactly the same here. Update. Let's see what happens.